So far, so good. Just shining a light right now. TA showing us how dreams come true.
Yeah.
Dreams come true.
He's in Jupiter with a woman whose dream bar is fastly becoming a community favorite.
Okay, we call it Nieko's Neighborhood Bar, a rather new one there in Jupiter, TA.
Yeah, good morning, Mike. Good morning, Holly. Good morning, everyone. And this is kind of surreal because I actually used to bartend at this bar before it was Nieko's. Ange remembers those days. And it's weird how life brings things back through and you get new circumstances.
Yeah, it definitely does. Coming across the street, being with you,
Yeah.
together again.
Yeah, it's weird. We used to work across the street at Jumbie Bay, and now we're here. And Alexis, you guys have special theme nights, right?
Yes, we do a lot of different nights. We're doing a paint and sip actually coming up this Wednesday. We do karaoke, we do comedy shows. We always have something new going on.
Love that. Thank you very much. Now, here's Nieko. Nieko, you know, you're working across the street for a couple decades, and you see the opportunity to start something up on your own. That has to be really cool to work for yourself, but also is like going from renting to owning, I would think.
Yeah, it's definitely pretty crazy. When we got the call asking if we'd want to possibly take over, right away I was thinking, no way, definitely not. Way too scary and everything, but it's really come together and been amazing.
And then you get like bills and you're like, where did this come from?
Oh
right?
yeah, it's never ending. They don't stop.
So how does it feel, like owning your own place, getting to make your own decisions? That has to be a new level of craziness.
It is surreal, like seeing my name on shirts and on the wall. You know, my husband completely redid everything inside, and it definitely is surreal and just amazing.
So what is your most rewarding moment so far? What are you most proud of, Nieko?
I would have to say just like seeing my family here, seeing my 16-year-old son now working here has just been like so cool. Like seeing his first paycheck, you know, it's like, it was so cool to see the name go up on the building, but then seeing, you know, our family working here, my husband, my two boys.
You said
really
one of your
cool.
sons is really thriving working here.
Yes, so my older son, Parker, he's on the autism spectrum, and, you know, he normally is just really quiet and shy, and this has become like his favorite place to come hang out,
I
work.
love that.
He's one of our best workers now. He's a busser.
You
He
have
helps
to
the
say that.
bar.
You're required
no, he
by
really
law.
Is. I say, like, come on, Parker, like, and he's ready to go. He loves being here, and that just is awesome.
I love that. Thank you,
It's
Nieko.
great.
Appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
If you have something you want us to shine a light on, you can email me at shininglight@wptv.com. Now, Holly and Mike, this is a place where I have a lot of stress because I was really busy. They call it being in the weeds, like behind the gun. And so I want to get on the other side of the bar.
Wait, but we know you were behind the bar for so long. What's your poison? What do you make well?
I make a good martini. I make a good old fashioned. I make everything great. What are you talking about?
That confidence is just lifting off the screen. We love it, TA.
A new spot to check out in Jupiter. Love how they put the family to work too.
Absolutely.
Family
Congratulations. Thanks, TA.